Hello students, in my previous class of English, I told you about the autobiography of John Milton. Through his sonnet, he put his complaint before you that how the subtle time stole in his age, though he could not reach to the maturity. Okay, without being reached on the peak, on the topmost summit or summit of the intellectual power, time stole in his 23 years of age. It was only to recapitulate you and to remind you of my previous class. After a week, I am here again before you to tell you about the new topic. In this topic, dear students, we shall discuss on the facts of time, dates, history in view and opinion of a young boy who is knowingly known to all, Albert Einstein, who was very famous among the people for his theory of naturology, or he gave so many theories on mathematics, and all the students of math stream and science stream, they always prefers to have their interest on the mathematical solutions and mathematical problems. Each and every student wants to represent his ideas, skills, and his research based on innovations and skills. It's interesting to know all about it. However, dear students, to develop our intellectual power, our religious relationship, our family relationship, our history teaches lessons. But, however, in every field, it is very difficult for a student to go through it. So, my dear students, in this video, I would like to tell you some topics related to this one. Okay, so you see, dear students, in this lesson the author refers to a young boy of extraordinary means who is outstanding, whose opinion, thought, ideas and skills are very outstanding, extraordinary and talented, intelligent, smart, many words you can put in place of it, who finds his school too hateful a place to learn. So dear students, in this way I would like to represent you some of the characters and some of the teachers who represent the dialogue of Albert Einstein, and some of the characters also helped him in his way of choice, in his skills and ideas. My dear students, Yuri, the best friend of Albert, who always behind him and before him, and always support his ideas and defend him everywhere, helped him in his critical and crucial situation how to overcome from it. Mr. Koch. Mr. Koch was mathematics teacher of Albert, who always appreciate Albert's techniques and his ideas regarding the mathematics education. Mr. Brown, his history teachers, always hates him because Albert does not have any interest on histories, date and times and the facts that is already written. There means why he always refused to learn history. Dear student, I would like to tell you that he does not believe in facts. If it is written on book, don't need to learn it. If someone asks you, you can go through the book and you can get it easily. So, but Mr. Brown very irritated, and he asked him, okay Albert, humorously he wants him to listen, then what should be the education? In this way he said, where all the practical works and where all the choices of the students are put, he likes such education in place of facts, date, incidents and the other kind of education. Humorously, ironically, he laughs at him, and so he said that it is the part of education, and without this can you hope to have your diploma of education in this school? He hates school. If your opinion are not put, your general ideas are not put, if your interest are not asked by the teacher, so he hates the school. And in this way, education, he said, that means a practical work, skills and researches based on any theory he likes. If it is not so, he hates school, he hates history and he hates even the history teacher. Ultimately, dear students, at last what happened? He expelled, means he kicked out from the school without any degree and diploma. It is been noticed his only friend was Yuri, who likes his views and opinion and defended him many times for many things. To defend him when he wants to go to Milan, Milan is the name of a city, to meet his parent, because he became bored and he found the school, the place very boring. So he wants to return to his parents. but it was very difficult to go without any reason to his parents. It is been said by his friend Yuri. Yuri told, so you can make some excuses like you have your nerves down and you can get medical certificate, and by the help of medical certificate you will get 6 month holidays or medical leave, and you cannot be expelled from the school, and you will be safe. If your interest, if your views, opinion and thoughts will change, you can come back again and you can join the school. But the reply of Albert was different. He said, I do not want to come back to this place which I hate too much in my life. But again, Yuri told, you should go to the mathematics teacher, Mr. Coach, who will suggest you the right thing, and before leaving the school, you should meet him. For that, he will help you anyway to get the certificate. In this way, Albert liked the opinion and he went to the Mr. Coach, who was his mathematics teacher. Okay, dear student, now I would like to tell you some important things regarding Albert Einstein. So he went to the Dr. Wheel and had the certificate of nerves down. Dr. Bill said, you have nothing, only you have some confusions regarding it. You do not have anything, you are not a sick man. And ultimately he told him truth and he made a certificate as Yuri, well known to Mr. Bill. By the help of Yuri, Mr. Wheel provided him a certificate for nervous down, and he was amazing. My dear students, Albert was very amazing. He believes in practical things. Practical education means an education which helps you to put your skills and talent, whatever you like in your life. So whatever you want to be in your life, you should do so. And it requires your interest, your sincerity, your punctuality and your hard work. So if you have all these things, in your life, we have a lesson. And in this lesson, through the Albert opinions, you will get determination, sincerity, hard work and your interest, which leads to the life of practical, and all the practicals that you do in your life with your interest, having sincerity and determination, brings you success. If you do not have your interest on any thing, and however still you keep on doing so, that will be boring to you. I know that you have lots of burden of your main subjects of maths, physics, chemistry, and if you are bio side or bio stream, you have also the bio burden of bio. So dear students, I do not want to waste your time. I would like to inform you that to be strong, only you have to take the lesson through the language that I am going to tell you. your hard work, your interest, your determination and sincerity. Whatever you like, you do. But to have the knowledge of language, you require words, and these words help you to understand any subject or topic in a good way. So I told you the story of Albert, and Albert became famous among the scientists, and he made his all the theories on science, and he hates the school which is only made for the certificate and for schooling and education. He believed in the right education, that is very interesting for you and very uh, innovative for you. So all the way, the thing that is interesting to you do, and the thing that is not interesting to you for you, you can't do. But dear students, in school we have to take all these subjects for our betterment, for our uh, education and for the certificate. All men cannot be Albert. We are very simple and we have to follow it, and that these subjects help you to get a good certificate, good marks. For that I am telling you, only you see the video and find it out that these lessons that I have given you regarding the lesson telling you the story of Albert Einstein, his interest, and regarding his uh, interest on science and mathematics instead of history and other subject. So how did you go through it, and what is your feeling regarding the topic? Comment me, and by commenting put your ideas also. I wish have a good day for you, and if you have time put your queries before me. At any condition I will help you, support you and cooperate you to get good marks. But before watching the video it is not possible. How can I come to know that what problems do you have regarding the topic? Thanks for the day. Have a nice day, dear students. Again I enforce the topic, that is regarding Albert Einstein at school and his opinion regarding education and his ideas, thoughts regarding the teachers, school, school education, school certificate and teachers. So teachers are teacher. They always help you at any way. Sometimes you irritate yourself. We don't need to go through it, or we should remark it. Always think positively that someone asking me to help, whether I need or not. If you need it, take the help. Whether you don't need it, don't mind. So have a nice day. Thank you for the video, and you watch this video, and you will find that that is very helpful for your mental ability, to increase your mental ability, your intellectual power, your moral power and your duties regarding the regarding as a good citizen and a good students. Thanks for the day. Have a nice day.